Hello, you're looking at Mr. Chua trying to interleave two decks of poker cards. He'll now try to pull the two decks apart. Mr. Chua is going to try the same thing on two magazines. So same thing, interleave the pages first, then pull them apart.
Now can see everything.
Mr. Chua wasn't acting, yeah? The two magazines were really like glued to each other. He's going to try on two sets of lecture notes. It's going to take a while, but it's worth the time. Here we go.
I think you will tear the paper.
It can only be the frictional force that's holding the two sets of lecture notes together, right? But can you explain why the frictional force has become so strong? So see you at the comment section and remember to click the like button. Cảm ơn very much.